All right, we're going to do this in two segments. I want to make a special appreciative announcement first. Today, we received a generous donation of 25,000 masks to the City of Houston, adding to the 10,000 the George H.W. Bush Foundation for U.S.-China Relations donated last week, and a gift from our friends in China. These masks will support our Masked Up campaign and will go to Houston's vulnerable communities. The Bush family, and today I'm standing with Neil Bush. Neil, let me just thank you. Really appreciate the generosity. The Bush family is an integral part of the Houston community. And time again, they step up with their hometown when their hometown needs them, and we value their generous donation at a time when our city is dealing with a public health crisis. We are thankful and grateful to the Bush-China Foundation's Coronavirus Action Network partners for securing these much-needed masks to ensure those who need a mask may get them. And it's ironic, this is the first day where we are all mandated to wear some sort of face coverings. We also thank our friends in China and look forward to continuing our long and positive relationship. It's my pleasure to welcome Neil Bush to come forward and say a few words. Neil.
Thank you, Mayor Turner, Mayor Pro Tem, and city officials for your leadership, and thanks to the city employees that are keeping our city going, to the fire, police, municipal. Thank you all for your service. My father advocated for closer ties between China and the United States for years. He knew that we have far more in common than what divides us. When China was going through the peak of the coronavirus, the Bush-China Foundation found sponsors and sent desperately needed supplies from Mexico to China. That's what Americans do. We help others in need. As the pandemic hit the United States, many Chinese friends have sent thoughtful messages, and some have gotten together to send supplies. And the Bush-China Foundation is distributing these supplies through our Coronavirus Action Network. As of today, we've given close to 100,000 masks to area agencies, including the 35,000 masks to the City of Houston that the mayor referenced, for the mayor's team to deploy as part of the health equity response and the Mask Up program. By the way, from March 1st through April 8th, for about a 5-week period, there have been over 525 million masks, 195 million gloves imported from China. China continues to be a reliable trading partner for our country during this time of need. Infectious diseases know no borders. To fight this pandemic, to get our city and our country going again, it is critical that people from across the globe find our common humanity, that we lock arms, and that we work together. This mandate can be seen today by the generosity of Chinese friends who care about our city's well-being. And for that kindness, we at the Bush-China Foundation are most grateful. Thank you again, Mayor, for your leadership.
I want to thank Neil, and I will tell you the gift is very timely since Thursday of last week in preparation for the Masked Up campaign and the fact that people have been asked to wear some form of facial covering. The members of City Council, Mayor Pro Tem Dave Martin, and all of the other council members have collectively, we've come together, and since Thursday, I think we have distributed more than 66,000 masks already. And between now and next week, weekend, for example, more than 200, I expect more than 200,000 masks will be distributed to meet the, to give out to our vulnerable communities in our city. So the gift is very timely, and Neil, thanks again. Look forward to continuing to partner with you. Okay, thank you. Okay.